In both the slides, I would differentiate between Indian and Chinese CEOs. When Satya Nadella became the CEO of Microsoft, the global media started praising Indian CEOs, and a number of articles have featured in prestigious international magazines and newspapers to analyze the reasons for Indians excelling as CEOs in America and other European countries. Especially Indian media was over the moon over Satya's international elevation. Research shows that BRIC countries, that means Brazil, Russia, India and China, will be wealthier than many current major economies by 2039. Presently, both China and India has second and fourth largest economy respectively. International media compared Indian CEOs with the Chinese CEOs, as China is also emerging as a global economic power, which is strong in many ways. It's a well-admitted fact that the Indian CEOs excel better than Chinese CEOs in America and other European countries. Both Indian and Chinese CEOs are hardworking and ambitious. Indians have more number of knowledge workers than Chinese. Indians are strong in services sectors, especially IT and ITS, while Chinese are strong in infrastructure and manufacturing. For Chinese, there are opportunities available at home with exciting pay and perks. Hence, the Chinese talent doesn't consider migrating much to America, whereas the Indian talent migrates to America as there are fewer opportunities in India. Additionally, Indians encounter several challenges at home, such as inadequate infrastructure, inferior workforce, bureaucratic bottlenecks, corruption and politicization. Here are some of the advantages Indians have an edge over Chinese. Indians adapt quickly to the environment. The Dean of Leadership, Warren Bennis, once remarked that adaptability is a key factor for leadership effectiveness and success. Additionally, Charles Darwin quoted, "It's not the strongest of the species that survives, not the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change." Since Indians are very strong in adaptability, they excel in an alien land. Indians have familiarity with the English language. In fact, India has the largest speaking English population in the world. Hence, they have the ability to articulate effectively in the English language. Indians network effectively, thanks again to familiarity with the English language. Some of the Indian CEOs were educated in prestigious business schools in America, which helped them find acceptance, especially in and other countries also, and to have a firm foothold. Indians are workaholic by nature and are risk takers. They have the ability to explore the opportunities and avail them. Indians are resourceful as they have the ability to work with what they have. They develop this attitude in India, which helps in America, where people often fail to work despite being inundated with resources. So you can see all these points on the slide. So let me also speak about them. Indians are familiar with the Western culture. They adopt Western culture partly in India. It helps them with cultural intelligence to create cultural chemistry and compatibility with America and other Western countries. Indian society is highly diverse with an emphasis on unity in diversity. It promotes tolerance towards others' cultures, languages, religions and regions, which help them gel well with other cultures easily. Indians come out of their comfort zones once they depart India. For instance, there were eminent Indians including Hargovind Khurana, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Venkatraman Ramakrishnan, to name a few, who made it big after they left India. The fact is that when they leave India, they come out of their comfort zones and grow quickly. Indians basically thrive on challenges and risk when they leave India. It is an added advantage to grow globally when they go overseas. Indians have an open mind with an ability to identify and explore opportunities. Americans respect talent and knowledge, and they appreciate Indians' workaholic mindset and professionalism. Above all, both India and America are democratic countries with an open economy which connects them quickly. Likewise, there are a number of differences between Indians and Chinese that make a huge difference in Indians excelling as CEOs in America and other Western countries. Above all, it's essential to have talent and drive to excel as CEOs that Indians are already equipped with enormously. So let us move on to the slide number 10. Here